Hi, I'm Kelly Nagel. I'm a professor in the Law and Criminal Justice Department at Monroe Community College. Welcome to Law 101. I have taught this course for several semesters now. It's a really fun course. Before MCC, I was a partner at the local Rochester, New York law firm of Woods Oviatt Gilman, where my practice was mainly civil law. I did creditors' rights and real estate development, that kind of thing. Since coming to MCC, I've taught this course, Law 101, the college orientation seminar, constitutional law, penal law, and criminal evidence now. So I've done a little bit of everything, and that's what we're going to do in Law 101. It's what they call a survey course. Let me show you the book, Understanding New York Law. There it is. Survey meaning a little bit about a lot of areas of law. The authors of the book intended it to touch on areas of the law that people would use in their daily lives. So we'll do landlord-tenant, we'll do real estate, we'll do contracts, we'll do torts, we'll do elder law, trust and estates, a little bit about a lot of areas. The topics are divided up into chapters, and I follow the book pretty closely, so you'll need to get a copy of it. Luckily, it's written in-house by either current or former MCC professors, so it makes it both readily available and relatively cheap compared to other college books. The way I'd like you to approach it is to read the topic in the book and then go to the Blackboard shell and open that topic. It's under, if you click on the link called Current Chapter, that will open the topic that we're currently working on. And in that topic, you'll see additional information, maybe current events, articles, movies, videos, and possibly an assignment. Not every topic has an assignment, but most do. So you should take a look at the material and then complete the assignment to submit it. If you have questions about it, take a look at the course information sheet first. That answers a lot of questions proactively. And dates are available on the What's Due When calendar. So you can make note of those or make sure to check those from time to time so you stay on top of things. The topics will open and close Fridays at midnight. So once the topic opens, it will stay open usually for a week. Some of the topics are longer, but typically speaking 1 week, after which it will close. And then it won't reopen to give missed assignments or missed information. The test will be similar, open for a week. Once you start the test, you need to complete it in one sitting, and the timer will continue to run. So if you log out, the timer keeps going. If you get kicked off, make sure that you have if you have some technical issue, make sure that you contact the MCC help or Blackboard help, both of which have links on the Blackboard shell as the issue is happening. They can often help you while it's happening. It doesn't really do much good to tell them or me after the fact. But any kind of technical issue should be resolved way in advance. Make sure your equipment is compatible and that you know what you need to do for an online course. That's really imperative, and the student's responsibility to make sure that everything goes smoothly. There will be 3 tests, also several homeworks, and the other component of your grade is a court watch paper. Also, that's explained in the guidelines, in the course information sheet, but there's a separate paper called Court Watch Paper Guidelines, which will give you the nitty-gritty, due date, how the paper should be set up. It has to be a current observation, that means this semester, and it has to be live, can't be an online viewing. And every student, it's a department requirement, every student in Law 101 has to complete it. So it's not my specific requirement, it's the department. It will be due toward the end of the semester, so because you have such a heads up, there won't be any extensions available on the paper. My best advice is just don't wait until the last minute. I think that's about it. If you have questions, use email. It's the best way to contact me. I'm checking that constantly. Not so much with phone voicemail messages, although if you do have an emergency, my phone number is on the course information sheet. And I think that's it. If you're at the downtown campus, stop in, say hello. That would be great. I hope you enjoy the semester. Thanks.